Hey guys, Paradoxio here. Welcome back to yet another LeetCode video where we try to solve LeetCode problems within 60 seconds. Today we are on question number 50 where we design our own power function. And the instructions are as follow. Implement pow of x comma n, which calculates x raised to the power of n. And we have a few example cases, one of them dealing with a negative number, so we will have to design an algorithm that handles that properly. And this is part of Top Interview 150, so this is a question that may come up in an interview, and you may want to know how to implement this yourself. So, to get started, first we want to check if our exponent is equal to 0. So if n equals 0, then we're going to return 1 because anything to the power of 0 is just 1. And then we're going to check for negative numbers. So if n is less than 0, then result is equal to 1 for blank in range 0, negative 1 times n. And then result times equals n. And then return 1 divided by the result. And if not that condition, then result is equal to 1 for blank in range 0 n. And this is for handling positive numbers. Result times equals x. And let me fix that mistake actually before I run this. And then return result. Go ahead and run our code. And it works for our 3 test cases that are given as examples. It handles normal, integer and integer exponentiation, and then it handles floats and integer exponentiation, and then it handles negative numbers. So we have 1/4 because we have brought 2 to the power of negative 2. Now you may have noticed I didn't hit submit. Why? Well, let's see what happens. Our memory limit exceeds, and that's because this algorithm is running in time complexity of O of n, which is okay, but not at all ideal for very large or very small exponents. Now, I will make a future video on this same problem where we use a better algorithm that is actually a little bit similar to this. But for working with small numbers, this does work pretty well. But I wouldn't use it in an actual math library or any areas where you would want very precise answers quickly. But for small numbers, this is good as it's in time complexity of O of n. Anyways, that's it for this LeetCode problem, and I will see you guys in the next one.